greatest poet of all times. He wrote poetry to awaken a Muslim, especially for the youngest of the nation. He always encouraged them to awaken and rise up for the dignity of the nation. उकाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, उकाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, नजर आती है उन्हें अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में. इकबाल शाहीन, not only the dream person, he is the man who would lead his nation to the prosperity. He wanted to provide an outlet which could ventilate the revolutionary spirit in them. Iqbal's young star would uphold the nation to height. This man blessed the God with great qualities. He loved the man who fulfills his dream. May Allah rest Iqbal's soul in peace. Thanks.
नाज़रीन, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कर लें ताकि हमारी लेटेस्ट आने वाली वीडियोस आपको मिलती रहे.